chose Pat James to take my master practitioner because I wanted to solidify my knowledge of NLP and use it more thoroughly to facilitate transformation in the world everywhere I work. Throughout the training, I've learned a lot. I discovered how many procedures and techniques I can use I didn't know of, and I felt really that I was at the best place to learn and to really facilitate change in a transformational way. So I'm really happy to have taken this training, and I really recommend it because I find that it is everything you're looking for in a training. Lots of content, lots of structure, an amazing staff. They take care of you. They're absolutely amazing. They make sure that you get your things done. Thank you very much.